lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Neo of Ahhhsoneo, and boy do I have an unboxing for you guys. Yes, finally off of Van Island, did a little shopping. It was my birthday, right back on Van Island. So if you'd like to see what new pieces I've recently picked up from, of course, Louis Vuitton, because you know that's all I shop. I need to change that. But if you'd like to see, then please watch on. Hey guys, so I think I'm gonna have to leave my glasses on for this so that I can see what I'm doing. But yeah, bear with me. And I have, of course, a bit of a story time that I'll get into with my latest unboxing, but okay, we'll get into that in a second. First, I just want to say, hey, welcome back to Ahhhsoneo. If you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. If it's your first time here, welcome. You must be here because you love a good unboxing, and for today, I'm your girl. So a little bit about me. My channel is all about an abundant lifestyle, whether that includes high-end stuff such as luxury items or luxury makeup, or just, you know, living your life as you wish. That's it. That's what I'm here for. So yes, and then of course, let me not forget, especially for those of you who've been here before and haven't done it yet, because I don't know what you're waiting for, but hit the subscribe button. Come on, hit the bell too. Do it all. So, all right, I'm just gonna get right into it because I have to be honest, I have been dying to use these items, but I wanted to do an unboxing, and I know some of you are like, girl, please. But yeah, no, it's that real. So here's the thing. Hold on. I have this massive box that came from Louis Vuitton. Actually, some of it came from Louis Vuitton, some of it came from Bloomingdale's. But I'm still missing a box from Bloomingdale's. I'm actually very upset about that. Yeah, that was a story in itself. Maybe I'll tell it when I eventually get that box. But I was waiting until I had everything to do my unboxing, and then I found out this week that it's going to be a little bit more time. And I was like, I'll just do with what I have. So I guess not all of us can be like some of those YouTubers who are doing those massive unboxings with like 5, 6, 7 items. I tried, I failed. So let's just jump right into it. So I know you guys have seen some of the new SLG pieces. Actually, I'm going to break this unboxing into two because I bought a bag, but I'm not sure if I'm keeping it. So if you never see an unboxing of a bag, then you'll know I never kept it. But if you see an unboxing, then I kept it. But I'm definitely keeping what I'll be showing you guys next, so I wanted to do that. I know, so yeah, can you see it? Alright, it's heavy and I'm not gonna mess with it. So of course I have my receipt. This box came separately. And this is really what I've been dying to use, but I've been trying to be a good girl and wait for YouTube. But you know what? Life carries on. I can't wait for you no more, YouTube. La 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 la. And someone, Miss Deborah at Draylux TV, actually bought me one of these for Christmas. Thank you, darling. I've used it every day since I opened it. And when I saw this version come out, I absolutely had to pick it up because this is literally my favorite LV print. I'm waiting, Louis Vuitton. If you're watching my little channel, when you do a speedy in this print, I will buy it. No questions asked the minute it comes out. I cannot wait. It is the keychain in the Damier Graphite, and I'm sure it's probably just pronounced Damier Graphite, but who cares? I say graphite. I live by my own rules, people. Tags are still inside, and what I really love about this, besides just the black and gray, is the silver hardware. I am a silver girl through and through, although I know I'm wearing gold earrings right now, but give me silver hardware and just watch my heart just beat so fast. So I saw a picture of this on Instagram, and I texted Larissa and I said, when this comes out, I want it, no questions asked. And Larissa, being the angel that she is, once she got it in store, she sent it on through, and I'm twinsies with my keychain, so I'm really super excited about that piece. In the rest of the box is a piece I picked up from the other new Louis Vuitton presentation. Oh, okay, the other receipt is in the box, and my other favorite SA, known as Tiffany at Bloomingdale, sent me some perfume samples. What is this? Hold on, let me see. See, this is what happens when you don't pay attention to the contents of the box. It's Cactus Garden, Sun Song, and Afternoon Swim. I think these are the 3 new ones. Thank you, Tiffany. Well, if I'd known those were in the box, I would have taken them out already. This is what happens when you don't pay attention. I can't wait to try those. I've really heard some good things about the new Louis Vuitton fragrances. Here is my other piece. Receipt is in here for these 2 other pieces. Let me see exactly what this is called. It is the Giant collection, guys. I finally picked something up from the Giant collection. I did not like the lime green yellow thing. No, not for me. The khaki green was interesting. I was like, oh, I'd like to see that in real life. But the red-pink combination, please. There goes my heart again. I am a sucker for red. I'm a sucker for pink. And without a doubt, I'm a sucker for a red-pink combination. What? What? I saw this and I was like, I had to have it. Actually, I couldn't decide between this and the other case, and I probably should have gotten the other case, and I'll probably ask Tiffany if she has the other accessoire case, the big square one, since I already have a red case like this. But honestly, I don't care. Look at this white tab here on the leather pole. Guys, the attention to detail on this piece and the placement of the Louis Vuitton Giant Monogram really just killed me. And the interior is, of course, the rose ballerine pink color, which I love. And yes, yes. So I do have one more piece coming. Apparently it's doing the rounds around the countryside in this print, and I will be sharing that with you guys when it comes. And when I get that last piece, actually what I'll do is an updated SLG collection, so that it's a bit more interesting than just one little SLG and an unboxing. Although I'm pretty sure I've done that before in the past, because yeah, it happens. So yeah, so I did have something else in here, and like I said, I don't know if I'll keep it. I mean, I don't know if you guys do that, where, because okay, I know myself on this channel, I've kind of ripped people who unbox something and then ship it back, like unbox on YouTube and then ship it back, don't keep it. So that's why I don't want to include it in this unboxing, because I'm not 100% sure I'm going to keep it. Does that make sense? Yeah, okay. So like I said, if you see a subsequent unboxing of it, then you know I've kept it. But if you never see it, then it just wasn't for me. Sometimes that happens. So, or you know, maybe I'll do a clip on all the bags I didn't keep, or bags I sold. Yeah, I think I've seen that doing the rounds on YouTube too. All right. Now that I can see again. Guys, thank you so much for coming back to my channel, checking me out. Remember, always choose happiness. It is a choice. It's a choice you gotta make all the damn time. Every breath you take. Remember, make the right choice. Choose happiness.